భూటాన్ అంటేనే కళలు, ఎన్నో కళలు ఇక్కడ నెలకొని ఉన్నాయి. అటువంటి కళలన్నీ ఒక చోట చేర్చి అసలు వాళ్ళు ఎలా ఉన్నారు, ఎటువంటి యుద్ధాలు చేశారు, ఎట్లా పాటలు పాడుకుంటూ వాళ్ళ జీవితాన్ని గడిపారు, ప్రతి పనిలోనూ ప్రతి దానిలోనూ ఒక పాటని నృత్యాన్ని ఎలా మేళవించారు, అవన్నీ కూర్చిన సమాహారం సింప్లీ భూటాన్. ఇప్పుడు మనం అక్కడే ఉన్నాం, చూద్దాం. Childhood picture. Yes, ma'am. This is his childhood picture, na?
Yes,
But in his younger days picture you don't have, because he used to come to India. When Rajiv Gandhi was Prime Minister, no? He used to come in my childhood. I used to see. I like him so much.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Sir, you might be jealous now.
No, not like that.
Please come this way.
I like him very much.
Okay. So here, this one is a protection shield we used during the war. Our country had never been into any war, but then before our first king becoming the king, there used to be a lot of internal wars. So that time people used to this one to defend themselves from the enemies. And this one is a arrow container. So national game of Bhutan is archery. So we uses this one to put the arrows inside. Over here is a horse saddle. Horse will be wearing this one. Have you seen?
Yeah.
Horse is wearing this one. Okay, nice. And this is a backpack made with the skins of animals. Here, back and the rope made with the yak's hair.
Oh.
Yeah. And these are the yak's tail. You can use this one to chase away the house flies from the house, or either for the dustings, or even in the summer. People often use this one for the fanning. This is just a simple architectural design of traditional Buddhist house. So these type of systems are used by the eastern part of Buddhist people with the rocks, mud and furniture. Here we don't use any nails or the screws. Instead we use this interlocking system. So everything here is interlocked.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So as we go upon constructing this house, there will be a lot of ceremonies at the different stages. So for the door standing, there will be one ceremony. For the window standing also, there will be a ceremony. Ceremonies at the different stages. Yeah? And here, also here, this is how we construct a mud house. So the muds are being rammed with the ram rod like this. So while ramming, they will be killing a smaller insects. So for the well-being of them or asking forgiveness from them, the workers will be entertaining a lot under the hot sunny days as a sacrifice for them. In the olden days, we do the labor exchange. We don't pay for the workers. You know how labor exchange is done? No?
Shop. Om Salam Alepe Mechela. Om Salam Alepe Mechela. Holo Sochi Shea Mishewe Sochi. Om Salam Alepe Mechela. Holo Lute Gune Sami We Sochi Chewe Sole Rale Sowe Katin Chera Soya Le Bichu Soe Te Jesa Soya Le Bichu Soe Te go be. Hello, 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 ya. Paguta me la cholelo. Wajera pale, masachi, ngatinale la misago.
We use this for the multi-purposes, not only for the cooking foods. Even the wine that you have tasted earlier, you can brew from here only. And here we use this as a pine cones as a firewood. Because of the resin inside that, it catches the fire very fast. And the pot over there is the earthen pot. And here, in the smaller one, we cook food, we make achars, curds, and everything. And here, this I used to churn a butter tea. Have you tasted the butter tea?
Butter
Sita?
tea? No, I didn't taste. We want to taste.
Here you will get a chance to taste. So firstly, you have to put a hot water. Then you should add butter, salt, tea leaf. Then you have to tune it.